No SD card, no screen, no nothing really. I don't even edit photos from this camera. I found this old camera a couple years ago and it really sparked something in me. I was honestly never into film like that. I wasn't really that cool. But since this camera was free, I decided to play around with it and see what I was missing out on. And this is so much fun. This is my Olympus AF10, a point and shoot film camera. And as simple as they come too. You load the film in, it winds it for you, and you just shoot. It's got a 35mm f3.5 lens, built-in flash that you can't turn on or off. It just kind of decides for you. And this one has got a worn out seal in the back. So you get these unwanted light leaks every now and again, but I honestly quite enjoy them. It's super compact and it has become one of my favorite cameras to document my everyday life. And yes, film is expensive and so is developing it and scanning it. And I'm not doing that at home because honestly I just don't have the patience. But it's still a super fun camera. And yes, I know I'm late to the whole retro vibes, aesthetic, 90s point and shoot film camera vibe party, but you might not know about these, so I'm here. And honestly, there's also something kind of magical about having no idea what you just shot. Even if it's exposed well or in focus, I kind of trust this camera to do it for me, but I've missed focus in a couple of shots and I still like them. It really is a camera that is as simple as it gets. And at first, if you're used to a mirrorless camera, it can be quite frustrating because you can't really decide on what it's doing. It just kind of does it for you. But I think that's kind of the key factor here. It's the fact that you can't see what you shot until you get the film back from the lab. See, I'm not brave enough to use this for client work, but for everyday personal stuff, sure. Honestly, I don't even know what else to say about this camera. Other than if you've never experienced film, something like this, a small, pocketable, point and shoot 35mm camera, is probably the way to go for you, as it was for me. They're cheap, they're wildly available, and just a fun way to document life. So go and get yourself one and experiment. So I'm just gonna leave you guys with some of my favorite shots I took on this camera and some background music, and I hope you guys enjoy. Also, about the film, I don't really know what film I used for each of the photos, but it's most likely either Kodak Gold 200, Ultramax 400, or just simply some of my dad's old expired film. And they're probably straight out of camera. I don't think I've ever edited a photo out of this camera. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy and stay safe.